Welcome to BINDAS, Business Intelligence and Data Analytics System, an all-in-one analytics platform built for MSMEs to simplify complex data into understandable insights and empower better decisions. Start by creating a project and importing data effortlessly from Excel or your SQL database. Our data modeling and cleaning tools help detect anomalies, format your data easily, and give AI suggestions on how to improve it, ensuring accuracy from the beginning. With our report builder, you can quickly create cross-tab or paginated reports by pulling data from hierarchies. Or you can check out the AI suggestions for recommendations of reports based on your data. Most importantly, our powerful dashboard builder lets you design fully customized dashboards using tables, multiple visual chart types, and interactive elements. You choose what you want to see and how you want to see it. Plus, our AI-driven suggestions automatically recommend the best charts and visual insights based on your data, helping you uncover trends you may have missed. So, explore Bindas today and unlock smarter data-driven decisions.